This tiny plane can take off from almost anywhere, pull insane aerial stunts, and still look like a real-life bush aircraft. You won't believe what the Micro Scrappy can do in the sky.
What if you could fly a legendary warbird without ever stepping into a cockpit? Meet the Beechcraft D18 RC45J 1.5M, a stunning RC aircraft that blends history, power, and pure adrenaline. This isn't just another remote-controlled airplane. The Beechcraft D18 RC45J 1.5 meter is a modern recreation of one of aviation's most iconic twin-engine aircraft, now redesigned to deliver an incredibly realistic and beginner-friendly flying experience. Whether you're an RC enthusiast or just stepping into the hobby, this aircraft promises something special. Originally produced between 1937 and 1969, the Twin Beech served everywhere, from passenger transport to military training missions. Now, this RC version captures that legacy beautifully with a U.S. Navy-inspired trim scheme. From the detailed panel lines to the pilot figure inside the cockpit, every inch of this aircraft screams authenticity. Let's talk convenience. This model comes almost ready to fly right out of the box. No glue required. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to its innovative three-piece wing design, setup is incredibly fast and hassle-free. The sections connect seamlessly, making transport and storage super easy. You can literally have it ready to fly in less time than it takes to charge your battery. Now, here's where things get exciting. The twin brushless motor system delivers smooth, scale-like performance on a 3S battery, perfect for realistic flying. But switch to a 4S battery and boom, you unlock faster speeds and near unlimited vertical climb performance. No upgrades, no modifications, just pure power when you want it. This aircraft is packed with intelligent features. It includes a Spectrum Avian Dual Smart Light ESC and AR631 Plus receiver, which means real-time telemetry data is sent directly to your compatible transmitter. You can monitor battery health, power output, and more, all while flying. It's like having a co-pilot giving you live updates. Worried about control? Don't be. With AS3X Plus technology, the aircraft smooths out turbulence and keeps your flight stable even in windy conditions. And if you're new, SAFE Select has your back. It adds flight envelope protection, making takeoffs, flying, and landing much easier. Basically, it helps prevent crashes while you build confidence. This is where the magic really comes alive. Functional flaps, retractable landing gear, LED navigation lights. You can take off from pavement, dirt, or even grass thanks to its durable metal landing gear. And those twin rudders and scale details, they make every flight feel like the real thing. Pilots love how versatile this aircraft is. Beginners appreciate the stability and safety features. Experienced flyers love pushing its limits with 4S power. It's smooth, responsive, and incredibly satisfying to fly. So, if you're ready to own a piece of aviation history and dominate the skies, the Beechcraft D18 RC45J is waiting. Are you ready for takeoff?
What if you could take off from almost anywhere and still pull off insane aerial tricks? Meet the Micro Scrappy, small in size but absolutely wild in the sky. Inspired by real-life aviation innovator Mike Patey, the Micro Scrappy 800mm is not your average RC plane. It's a compact, high-performance bush plane designed for thrill, flexibility, and serious fun. Perfect for parks, fields, or even large backyards, this aircraft brings big adventure to small spaces. This model is a scaled-down replica of the full-size Scrappy, one of the most unique aircraft ever built. From molded rivets and panel lines to antennas and struts, every detail has been carefully recreated. It looks and feels like a real bush plane, just miniaturized. And that bold, fully painted trim scheme, it turns heads every time it flies. One of the best parts? It's incredibly convenient. The Micro Scrappy arrives mostly assembled, and the one-piece wing can be installed or removed with just a single screw. That means less setup time and more time flying. Grab it, head to your nearest open space, and you're ready to take off. Don't let the size fool you. This thing packs serious power. With a 3S battery, you get smooth, realistic flight and even basic aerobatics. But switch to a 4S battery, and suddenly you unlock aggressive performance with strong vertical climbs and sharper maneuvers. It's like having two planes in one, calm or crazy, depending on your mood. Here's where it really shines: STOL performance. Short takeoff and landing means you can lift off in tight spaces and land almost anywhere. Thanks to oversized Tundra-style tires and shock-absorbing landing gear, it handles grass, gravel, dirt, and pavement with ease. It's built for adventure, not just runways. Flying is smoother and smarter than ever before. AS3X technology stabilizes the aircraft, reducing the effects of wind and turbulence, giving you that locked-in, confident feel. And SAFE Select adds an extra layer of protection, helping prevent over-control and making flying more forgiving. Perfect for pilots ready to level up. Want realism? You got it. LED navigation lights, landing lights, and even simulated strobes bring this aircraft to life, especially during low-light flights. It's not just flying, it's an experience. Pilots love how versatile and fun this plane is. It's small enough for casual flying, yet powerful enough for adrenaline-filled aerobatics. Whether you're cruising or pushing limits, it delivers every time. So if you're ready for a compact aircraft that can do it all, the Micro Scrappy is calling your name. Are you ready to take off anywhere? PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.